You want 3D shoulders, round, wide, powerful shoulders that completely change how your upper body looks. But all you have are dumbbells. No fancy machines, no cables, no gym excuses. Good, because dumbbells aren't the problem. Your understanding is. Most people think shoulders are one muscle and train them like one muscle, and that's exactly why their shoulders stay flat. The truth is, shoulders are a three-part system, and if even one part is weak, your shoulders will never look wide, strong, or 3D. The shoulders are made up of the front delts, side delts, and the most ignored and undertrained part, the rear delts. This is critical. If your rear delts are weak, your shoulders will look narrow from the front, flat from the side, and sloppy from the back. You can press heavy and raise heavy, but without strong rear delts, your shoulders will never be complete. That's why you only need to remember 3 exercises, not 10, not complicated routines, just 3 done the right way. The first exercise is the overhead press. This is your foundation and the main builder of mass and strength, but most people do it wrong. Your grip should be slightly wider than shoulder width, not too close and not too wide. Your elbows should sit slightly in front of your body, not flared straight out and not tucked too far in. Before you press, tighten your core, brace your abs, and lock your body in place. Press the dumbbells straight up without leaning back or turning it into a chest exercise. Control the weight, avoid ego lifting, and feel your shoulders doing the work. This movement builds thickness, power, and overall shoulder mass, especially in the front delts. The second exercise is lateral raises, and this is where shoulder width is built. This is also where most people cheat and stay small. Hold a dumbbell in each hand and place a slight bend in your elbows, then lock that bend in place. Lift the weights out to the sides until they reach shoulder height, no higher. Higher is not better. Don't swing your body, don't use momentum, and don't shrug your traps. If you feel it in your neck, you're doing it wrong. Lift with control, pause briefly at the top, and lower the weight slowly. This exercise isn't about heavy weight, it's about tension, and it's what makes your shoulders look wide even in a t-shirt. The third exercise is reverse flies, and this is the real game changer. The difference between average shoulders and true 3D shoulders. Hinge at the hips, push them back, keep your chest down and your back flat, and let the dumbbells hang. Raise your arms out to the sides, leading with your elbows rather than your hands. At the top, squeeze your rear delts hard and feel the contraction. Then lower the weight slowly with full control. No rushing and no swinging. This movement improves posture, balances the shoulders, protects your joints, and most importantly, completes the 3D look. Understand this: shoulders don't grow because of how many exercises you do. They grow because of how well you perform the right ones. Train all 3 heads every week with intention. Don't chase weight, chase control. Don't rush reps, feel every inch of the movement. Real shoulder growth comes from precision, discipline, and consistency. Do these 3 exercises correctly week after week, and your shoulders won't just grow, they'll stand out. They'll change how your body looks and how you carry yourself. Build them right, and your upper body transformation is inevitable.